Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can create an account on the Goodbudget app. Goodbudget is a personal finance app perfect for budget planning, debt tracking, and money management. So firstly, open the Goodbudget app on your device and you'll be led to this page. Here, if you already have an account, you can directly log in, but if not, tap on the Create New Household option. Here you already have the options of saved budget, but you can also change the amount or also tap on the add envelope to create a new plan. Here on this page, you'll have to add the envelope name, budget period, and the budget amount. Then tap on the OK button. Then again tap on the Save button. After that, if you'd like to add another envelope, you can simply again tap on the Add Envelope, or you can directly tap on the next option on the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you'll see a pop-up asking if you'd like to put money in your envelopes so that you can spend them. You can either let them fill it or you can do it on your own. After that, you'll be led to the registry page where you'll have to enter your email address, create a password, and also repeat the password down below. You can tap on the link of Terms of Use in order to read the terms of use of the Goodbudget app. After reading that, tap on the I agree box. Finally, after filling out all the credentials, tap on the Finish option on the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you'll see this message stating that your registration has been successful. Tap on the Let's Go button. And now you have successfully created an account on the Goodbudget app. So if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.